Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Trello Premium easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once you are logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to access the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Billing. On the Billing page, you will see different subscription options. Look for the Trello Premium subscription option. Click on the Try It Free or Upgrade button next to the Premium option. A new window will display pricing information. Review the features included with Trello Premium. If you decide to proceed, click on the Continue button. You will now be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card details. Make sure to check the box for any terms and conditions. Once all information is entered, click on Submit or Upgrade. You should receive confirmation that your subscription to Trello Premium has been activated. Explore the new features that come with your Trello Premium account. Enjoy using Trello Premium to enhance your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.